these ones are clogged, of course.
Yeah, we just got to put some salt away. You can turn off the mister if you want.
No, they'll fix them tomorrow.
Okay. And we'll find out about the extended warranty, right?
Yeah. And it's gotta have, what, 3 years at least?
4 years at least, and then it's probably the Yes 3, so another 3, but
This guy's sitting over there. We used to run down and fucking dimmy and shit. He's got a fucking T-Yellow fender on the corner here. His house, dude, he had the roof ripped off of it. I think I guess that for sure.
all right.
There's a bar thing down here. If I had shit in there, I don't know.
It's all right.
Usually Grey Goose guy, but on the boat, everybody fucking chugs it. So I was like, oh, we'll go Tito's for the boat.
All right.
Possibly, I'm kind of relationship.
Right? Yes, it's very rare.
It